Oi, guess where we are? The top end of Australia. And what are we doing? We're going to catch some barramundi. Hopefully.
Well, some of you might have heard the news. We're knocking out a couple of pups with our twins due in June and have decided to nest in the top end after living in the Pilbara. We're back.
This time with a couple of hitchhikers on board.
Since then we have rented a house. I'm working back as a bricklayer, or a blocky as we're called up here, and nesting has begun. We lived here previously for a year and a half, so it's great to be back, catching up with mates and returning to the territory, the place we love most. Rightio, I've been hanging for a fish, so let's go flick some lures and see if we can catch a barramundi.
First bars of the territory. Yes. Happy days. Been here for about 10 minutes and already got our first bars, so we're off to a good start. Nice little 61.5. Bad little fish. Yep. On again. Oh man. Third fish. The third fish has dropped it. We've got the freshwater side here, and we've got the saltwater side over there. Yep. Whoa. Come on. Come on. And snap. Got a bit of curry behind it. Yeah, buddy. Big swamp donkey. Right, Buzz. See you next time. Alright, so literally next cast. She's on fire at the moment. Oh, yep. Literally next cast. Holy crap. Come down, little fella. On again. Don't jump, you little bastard. Come on. 63 model. The biggest for the day. Not again. The wee tacker. Yep. Feels a bit better. Woo. Put to the show. Tight line. Come on. Yes. The 63 is our biggest. And this one is 65. Little buddy. Come on, little tacker. Barramundi number 987. Beautiful golden bars. The golden Barra. Look. Look how gold that is. Cracker. Next. Bronzy. On the green lure this time. Little grimace. Grimace the Barra. Little purple Barra. Hey buddy. Toodle peep. Rightio guys, time to hit the frog and toad. Yeah, today's been a good day. We've only been in the territory for a few days and good to get a few Barra on the deck. So got a few 60s, I think the biggest was 65, got like a 64, 63 and a few high-end 50s. So yeah, it was a bit quiet at the start but it fired up towards the end there. So yeah, we've fished that spot before, it's in previous videos, and normally you just catch like little rats and stuff, so it's good to get a few bigger fish. So yeah, it's been a good day. But yeah, if you like this type of thing, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more coming up. Back in the territory, so stoked. Been just missing Barramundi fishing, so good to head out. Little day mission here. But yeah, we'll see you next time.